What did you do? Like, what did you do when this happened?
I mean, probably similar to what a lot of you have to keep in mind. This was 1996. So if any of us in this gathering got anything, it doesn't have to be cancer. It could be anything. We would immediately grab our phones, right? And we would have so much information at our fingertips. What we could either find on Google or who we would start reaching out to. It's all right there. 1996, you didn't have that. I had a basic cell phone. The internet was not anything that most people had access to. I mean, we were grabbing pamphlets in the doctor's office and going to bookstores and just trying to gather information. So obviously that has all changed. But we were scared and confused. I mean, just didn't know. I didn't know the difference. Oh my God, I have cancer. I've obviously knew I had testicular cancer. I was calling friends. I was, hey, I heard I know your aunt had cancer. Well, she had breast cancer. I'm like, I don't care. I mean, she had cancer. It's the same thing, right? Well, obviously it's not, right? So I still get those questions a lot, and I have to explain to people sort of the differences between all these different malignancies. But yes, it was a crash course in oncology.